What's going on YouTube? So this is going to be a quick video about how to create a class from a string, or more accurately how to create an object from a string. The way this is going to work is that I'm going to pass in a name of the class into the PHP script, and then what happens is I'll check to see if the class exists, and if it does exist, it will just create a new instance of it from here. So a really quick example. And then if I pass in a name that doesn't exist, okay, and that's basically it in a nutshell. So this is pretty much whenever you want to create a instance of it, you kind of want to do new of it, or if you want to try some other fancier stuff, just let me know and I'll show you some more fancier implementation of this. And this is it. This is just a very simple example of how to do it. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, peace.